Creating a WordPress website is now easier than ever. Thanks to AI, you can build a complete site in just a few minutes. No coding, no design stress, just a few questions and the AI will do the rest. In this video, we will show you 5 powerful AI tools that can help you launch your WordPress site fast. Let's dive in. Coming in at number 1, WordPress.com AI Website Builder. If you're using WordPress.com, this is a great place to start. What you simply do is head over to WordPress.com and open up their AI website building section. From here, you can describe what kind of website you want to the AI. The next thing that it's going to tell you to do is create your account or log into an existing account if you have an account. Once you log into your account, the AI is going to ask you a few more questions if it's needed. For example, what you want to call your company or what you want to call your website, what's the description of your website, and other things. So once you specify all the details, it's going to summarize all the details to you, and once you're ready, you can click on Yes, Create My Site button to create the website. It's going to take a few seconds and then create your website for you. Then you can pick a layout for your website, choose a color, typography, and then you are ready to edit your website. So once you are ready, you still have to get a paid plan from WordPress.com in order to publish your website. Based on your business, WordPress.com is going to present you with some plans. For our business, we have been presented with these 2 plans, the premium and business. You can choose whichever plan is more suited for you. You can also choose if you want to pay yearly or pay every 2 years, pay every 3 years, or pay monthly. You can pick any of your plan and then you can host your website with WordPress.com. Next up, Kadence AI. Kadence AI works with the Kadence theme and Kadence Blocks plugin. It helps you build websites section by section. Just describe what you need, like a service section or testimonials. The AI builds it and writes content too. You can pick a layout, style, and edit the text instantly. Great for freelancers and creators who want full control with smart shortcodes. If you want a tutorial on Kadence AI, you can find it in the video description. Kadence gives you access to the AI website builder for free, but in order to get more features, you have to get a paid plan. Kadence has 3 paid plans to choose from, which starts from $69 per year and could go up to $299 per year with their highest plan. But with that, you get all the features of Kadence AI. Divi AI. Divi AI is built into the popular Divi builder. It helps you write text, suggest images, and design better. Right inside the visual editor. You don't need to leave the builder or open another tool. Divi AI understands your page context and gives you smart suggestions. You can adjust tone, rewrite content, or start from scratch. If you're a designer or agency using Divi, this is a game changer. To unlock the full potential of the Divi AI website builder, you can get paid plans of Divi. It also has lifetime plans if you need. Next up, Stellar Sites AI Wizard. From the makers of LearnDash and Kadence, meet Stellar Sites. This AI wizard is made for freelancers and agencies. You choose the type of business like restaurant or coach. The AI then builds a complete demo site with relevant content and layout. It even adds additional tools to the site. This saves hours of setup time when working with clients. A solid choice for professionals who launch many sites. Stellar Sites has a lot of plans to choose from. There's the Essential plan, which is $15 per month, the Plus plan, which is available for $35 per month, and the Ultimate plan, which is available for $55 per month. You can pick any of these plans depending on what type of business you are running. You can choose annual or monthly billing cycles and pick the plan which is more suitable for you. Next up, 10Web AI Website Builder. 10Web is an all-in-one AI site builder with hosting included. You can describe your business and then it will build a full WordPress site from that description. The design, layout, text, and images all are done with the AI. Plus, it comes with fast hosting and optimization. If you want a full site ready in minutes, 10Web is worth checking out. In order to unlock the full potential of 10Web AI, you can get any of the paid plans. There's the business plan, e-commerce plan, and agency plan. Plan starts from even $10 per month and could go up to even $60 per month. There's monthly and annual plans, so pick the plan which is more suitable for you. All links are included in the video description. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more WordPress tips.